Yeah, how y'all doing? Just then went on the laundry and I'm gonna have to go back. Haven't got me some package from eBay. But what y'all see is here. If y'all into cutting down land, I'm gonna do this one by hand. If you can see it, I'm gonna cut all that down from right there. I already did some of it. Up in there right there, then up in there. All the way up in there and stuff. That's why I burned it in a burn pile. Then I had cut all that down. It was all kind of trees all up in there. All the way down to right there. So I'm going to be doing the rest of that soon. Right there. But I'm about to go take a little trip where we going to start our little journey. So be patient, and I'll be right with you. Try to fix a little steering problem. But this is what we're going to be fishing at. Stuff like that. Yeah, all in nature. Stuff like that and all. Yeah. So, who like fishing? Because I'm all for it. Probably put a little beds to the side and have a little cool out here. Do a little grilling. Fish grill or fish fry. That'll be on soon. Because Mother Nature, she ready. Yeah. But with that being said, I need y'all to like the video, hype, share, and subscribe. See you. I gotta clean all this up. But see you. Be safe and peace.